So, my friends, you must have definitely seen this trend on YouTube where creators are making a lot of videos like this. And if we talk about views, almost all of these videos have millions of views. 4.2 million, 6.2 million, 1.7 million, 2 million, thousands of views. If you look closely at the videos, the character is real, but the face is in a 2D cartoon animated style. And in every video, there is always something being taught: how to work, how to achieve success, how to become rich. Everything is explained in these videos. And you must have noticed that many of these videos go above 35 million views. Please support skill with AI. If we talk about the subscribers of this channel, at this time it has 906 subscribers with 53 videos. And if we talk about the earnings of this channel, according to Social Blade, this channel is earning approximately $2.6 billion and around 1.45 to 1.54 in monthly earnings. If we talk about the views, in the last 30 days it has gained 38 million views and 48K subscribers, which is very high. And today we are going to create videos like this. You are also seeing the video on the screen. So without wasting time, let's not waste any time and start creating the video. So guys, first of all, I will give you a master prompt, just like always. In this master prompt, everything is included in a simple way. Consistent character, its face is added, 10 image prompts, 10 video prompts. Voiceover lines are also added in the prompts. Everything is included in it. There is nothing missing. All-in-one things are added. You simply have to copy this prompt. You will get its link in the description. After copying, you just need to come to ChatGPT and paste it. Your prompt will automatically upload, and when you click on Generate, it will automatically generate 10 image prompts first. Then it will generate 10 video prompts for you. It will also generate voiceover lines, and everything will be in front of you. Style, video prompts, and voiceover lines. In the video prompts, it includes things like 0 to hero, lost to found, weak to strong. Everything is added. So guys, everything is included. You don't need to do anything complicated. Next, we will simply generate images. Then we will generate videos. So the tool we are going to use today is called Digen AI. Digen AI is a free AI platform where you can create both videos and images. It also gives you free credits. As you can see, right now, I have 560 credits available. You simply need to log in with any account and stay logged in. After a few days, you will notice that your credits do not decrease. First of all, you need to open the image section. In the image section, go to Tools, and you will find many tools like Image Motion, Flux, Nano Banana, Nano Pro, GPT Sora Image, and many more. And let me tell you one more free benefit. Nano Banana is completely free here. You can generate unlimited images using it. But for the first image, you need to take a reference image from the channel. As I always say, take a screenshot for consistency and upload it here. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, paste it into Digen AI, select the ratio, either 9:16 or auto, it's your choice, and simply click on Generate. As you can see, our first image generation has started using Nano Banana Pro today. We will also use other tools and models that are free, but some tools have limits. You can only generate 3 to 4 images per day. Still, even if you generate 3 to 4 images daily, it is very good, because by using multiple accounts or tools, you can generate 12 to 13 images, or even more. As you can see, the character is sitting on a horse, but the face is not original. It is in a 2D cartoon style, exactly like our reference image. There is also text written on top, just like the channel I showed you. You have to follow the exact same process for all images. Keep generating all images the same way. Choose another free model and click Generate again, and your image will be generated successfully. So guys, you need to follow the same process for all images. I always say in every video, our goal is not just to create animated videos. Our goal is to earn, because many people comment that their channel is not getting monetized. So what you need to do is add a little bit of real content. For example, add your own voiceover instead of AI at the end, or add some real editing. Do not make everything 100% AI. YouTube may not monetize fully AI content easily, so the strategy is simple. Mix AI with some real effort. Add your own touch, some editing, some originality. Then your channel has a much higher chance of getting monetized. So follow the same process, and you will see that all your images will be generated like this. All images are now ready. Now, next, we will move to video generation, and we will also generate voiceover from there. This is PixVerse, which is a video generator. So let's start generating the videos. First of all, what you need to do is log in. Once you log in, it will give you 90 free credits. These 90 credits, you can easily create 5 to 6 videos, and that too, with audio voice included. After logging in, you will see different sections. Simply click on the video section. Now, first of all, upload your first image. After uploading, go to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt along with the voiceover line. Paste it here. Then select the resolution. You can choose 540p, or you can go up to 1080p, but keep in mind that higher resolution will consume more credits. After that, enable the audio option because audio generation will take around 25 credits for video generation. Now simply click on Generate. You won't believe it. Within 20 to 25 seconds, your video will be ready. So guys, your first video is now ready. Please preview it. You can see how professional the video looks. The transitions are very smooth. And professional, the warrior is speaking, and it has generated a full story-style video, which is amazing. Now simply download it. After that, upload the second video image. Then again, go to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt, come back to PixVerse, paste the prompt, and click on Generate. As you can see, your video generation has started, and within a few moments, your video will be ready. So guys, your second video is also ready. Preview it and see how amazing the character looks and how smooth and professional the transitions are. Now, simply download it. For the third video, the process is exactly the same. Upload the third image, go to ChatGPT, copy the third prompt, paste it into PixVerse, and click on Generate. The generation has started, and in a few moments, your video will be ready. So guys, as you can see, your third video is also ready. If you check the credits, right now I only have 15 credits left, which means I cannot generate another video. So what you need to do is simply log in with another account. You will again get 90 credits, and these credits refresh daily. So the process is very simple. Just switch accounts, get new credits, and keep generating videos. Keep repeating this process. Keep generating videos and upload them on YouTube. Create your channel just like this strategy, and you will see that your videos will start going viral. And guys, before ending, let me tell you one more thing about this tool. This tool does not only generate videos, but it also generates images. If you go to the image section, you will see many image generator tools available. Some of them use credits, like Nano Banana Pro, which takes around 15 credits, and Nano Banana also uses credits. Today, you saw how we used Digen AI and PixVerse to generate videos for free. In the same way, you can also create videos, build your channel, upload consistently, and start earning. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel.